Okay, shape number 3 for the major pentatonic scale. In this lesson, we are in the key of C. Because of that, I'm starting this on the 12th fret here, okay? We've gone through boxes 1, boxes 2. Links are below if you haven't seen them yet. But let's get into this, okay? We're going to go right here. We're going to start with 12th fret. So it'll be 12, 15, 12, 15 on the 5th string, 12, 14, 12, 14, 13, 15, 12, 15. Okay, let's do it again. So third position, third shape of the major pentatonic scale. For this particular lesson, again, key of C, we go 12th fret on the 6th string is where we start. 12, 15. The next string we go 12, 15. For the 4th string we go 12, 14. The 3rd string we go 12, 14. For the 2nd string we go 13, 15. And then for the final string, the 1st string, we go 12, 15 again. And we come back up. And if you kind of hear that, we're going through the scale here all the way here in the 3rd position, but we end it with the C chord. And you can kind of hear how it ties it together because it's in the same key. So again, 12, 15, 12, 15, 12, 14, 12, 14, 13, 15, 12, 15. And there we go. Again, third shape / third position for the major pentatonic scale. Just memorize it. We are in the key of C. 2 more to go.